Alright, this is 675 65th Street South. And I ran the camera through the 3-inch stack on the other side of the house. I did just flush the toilet, which is closest to where the sewer comes out. Just in case you guys are in here working, you'll have a place to go to the bathroom. So when I was pushing through here, this thing is just full of, you can see all the debris that's in the pipe. Before anything's gonna flow, I would highly recommend having this thing cleaned out. You can see all the debris that I was pushing through. And this is under the house, so we're coming from, if you're looking at the front of the house, we're coming from the right side of the house to the left side. Yeah, the camera's a little blurry because we just kind of filled everything with water, but you can see how much debris is in there. Let's see if I can't clean it off, and I'll just run it back down in there again. Get you a better shot. Looks like the house has sat vacant for quite some time. So that's the second story. Now we're going through the first story stack. And now we're down under. You can see all the debris where the camera's been pushing through here. That runs through pretty much the whole house. Got a much better, clear shot of it now. So yeah, we need to get all this stuff cleaned out of here so that the sewer will have a chance to run. And that runs all the way over to the other side of the house, all this debris. So it definitely needs to be cleaned, no doubt about it. Yeah, we're all the way back over there, so you can see how much debris is under the house that needs to be cleaned out of there. I'm pulling back now from the right side to the left when you're facing the house. Yeah, now we're coming back up the stack again. And we're back out on the roof. So yeah, I would highly recommend getting it jet cleaned and videoed again to make sure there's no breaks in the line. Thanks for watching.